to our video today. Today we have a gentleman who is a hairdresser, and you've seen him before in a previous video, and I will put the link down below in the description as to where you can find that video. So he's just a really nice guy, some interesting nails. He has a corn that was killing him last time and feels a lot better this time. And so, short intro, hope you enjoy our video today.
I didn't do anything to my eye because I was like,
They look way better.
I was gonna go and get them done. I was like saying, she's just 2 months, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, and you still, you still could, and then come here every 3 months. I mean, something like that. But they're looking exactly, they're looking good, way better.
Mm-hmm.
So let's just go ahead and get them all trimmed again.
It might be a little sensitive, but
A little sensitive.
yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Because I didn't get these as short as I wanted to, I think, last time. And I said
Okay.
this time maybe we could go a bit shorter.
Mm-hmm.
But you'll let me know.
Okay.
I can feel you're really apprehensive and afraid here. I'm going to hurt you.
I know. And I'm just not waiting for that.
So did you get your YouTube channel off the ground?
I did not, and I was like, you know what? I think my comprehensive is just being faithful to it more so.
What do you mean?
It's like, say if I start something, I want to complete it.
Mm-hmm.
And just, I guess, for just the time management for it.
You're not going to do one for right now.
Yeah.
That's fine.
But I would love to do it because, I mean, that's kind of, I was skilled in audio video. So it would be a real good thing to just buckle down and commit to it because I think that it would be great.
Well, and when you're ready, if you wanted me to come out again and sit with you
Super.
and get it set up, we can do that together. I'm happy
Maybe
to
that
do that
might help me.
All right, well,
So I need probably a push.
look at what times work for you and when
And-
you're ready. So probably after the holidays and New Year's. And,
Yeah. I think my thing is just having a system
Mhm.
and then just say, okay, I got an hour here, I got 20 minutes here, I got 15 minutes. Matter of fact, I had a lady come out to clean my place. And just
Your salon space?
yeah. But I guess, that's kind of really delicate. I mean, just anybody just can't do it. They clean differently.
Let me buzz this side and then.
About the video?
About your videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did, and I came out and we looked at setting it up and
Right.
what all that looks like.
What the content would be. You know what I mean? What will I talk about?
You don't have to talk about anything.
Just get on, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Put music behind it. If YouTube has free music you can use.
Right?
If the client wants to do conversation on the video, you can do that.
Super. Yeah, that would be a nice little New Year's kind of start of a new little adventure,
Yeah, we could take one of your videos that you already have,
right?
and I can show you how to upload it or put music behind it or anything like that. I'm happy to help however I can.
So do you take the voice out of this?
Don't have to. Usually I don't. Because people seem to like listening to conversations we have.
Oh, okay. Even about the camera person?
About the camera person, my medical assistant?
Yeah, your medical assistant.
What did you want to say about her?
Well, we're on camera, so we don't want to get that out here, because it has to be positive, because we don't want to.
Well, she's standing right next to you, so.
I know, that's why I have to be careful. I always want to be encouraging and uplifting and motivating.
Nope, our medical assistant, her name is Cassie,
Cassie.
and she's
Now
been
this-
with us for 15 years,
Okay,
and she's like family.
right, I could tell.
This one in particular is tender, sensitive.
I don't know, I think it's that one point in the front. It was
Yeah, right here where
right
it's
there,
the skin, yeah.
Yeah, that's the concern part. Once we get over that, we can.
I'll do that with the sander.
It burns a little bit too when it gets a little tender when you do that.
With the sander?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just keep it wetter, because that will dissipate the heat.
Okay. Super. Yeah, oh shit, that one right there.
No blood.
Okay, cool. No blood. Somebody's laughing, but that's okay. Here.
When my daughter was little, we used to have a saying, no blood, no Band-Aid.
Right.
Because little kids just want lots of Band-Aids.
Isn't that interesting in how they find a way to get a Band-Aid to... So what would I use to put on them just for topical?
You know,
Nothing?
a topical's not going to work for you.
Gotcha.
And the reason is that this fungal infection is
Yeah.
all the way back under here where the
Right.
cuticle, under the cuticle,
Mm-hmm.
where the nail's being made.
Right.
So the nail is now being produced with the fungus already in it.
Okay.
So a topical is not going to work on these. So save your money, save your time.
Gotcha.
It's hurting?
No, I'm sitting here thinking because I went on your YouTube,
Yeah.
and seeing you've been on that YouTube for quite some time, doing some amazing. And being able to speak to or see so many different nails. was your Thanksgiving?
Yeah, it was lovely.
A lot of food, a lot of turkey, a lot of ham, a lot of people.
Not too much of anything.
It's kind of low key.
But it was lovely. A lot of family,
There you go.
friends, one new baby.
Really?
Not mine.
I'm going to keep quiet on that one.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm going to keep quiet.
So, yeah, so I think if these were feeling pretty good up until today, and you didn't feel like you needed to go get a pedicure or something, then we can keep it at 2 months.
Okay. The only thing that I was really kind of concerned about is that little, yeah.
Right there. That's hard skin,
Yeah.
and I smoothed it out. I can get it back a little bit further. You want me to try bring it back a little bit further?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know this road down the street on the, what did they do? They had it blocked off for a long.
Oh, they
What did they
created,
do?
they made a sidewalk on the other side of, there was a sidewalk on this side.
Oh, really?
And they put a sidewalk on the other side and a gutter and some drainage ditches.
Okay.
All right, well, thank you for letting us do a video again.
Super.
And, you know, the
How's
goal,
that looking? How's that looking over there? Looks great.
it all looks good. It all, I mean,
No, I'm talking about on this here.
this,
Yeah.
oh, the little callus?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
did cut that though.
Yeah, I did trim it.
Doesn't it look good though?
It does. Let me trim it again.
So you want to trim it?
I'm just gonna trim it a little bit. Yeah, this is what you were, this is the one you were so worried about last time.
Oh my goodness, you were the, I guess you were the answer. Because I was thinking that I was going to have to get a whole new wardrobe,
Shoes.
Yeah. And I was like, are you kidding me? And it's like I don't have a lot of shoes, but once I start putting them all together, I do.
Yeah. Okay, so that should feel pretty good. Thank you for reminding me to do it. And, okay, so why don't we go 2 months again?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right.